Keep your clothes off the floor and your room neat with the Amazon Basics Foldable Laundry Hamper. It's made of a durable canvas material, and the neutral color tones will complement nearly any decor. With a nice rectangular shape, open top and cutout handles on the side, it fits nicely into a corner. And when not in use, it conveniently folds flat for storage. The Amazon Basics Foldable Laundry Hamper is the perfect laundry hamper for collecting your laundry.
The ultra-wheeled laundry hamper comes in two aesthetically pleasing colors. Its sleek design takes up minimal floor space in closets and fits snugly against walls. Your smelly laundry is no match against the aeration holes along the side. The comfort handle within the lid allows you to easily discard dirty laundry. The smooth gliding wheels combined with the convenient retractable handle form the ultimate laundry experience. Proudly made in the USA. Check your local retailer for availability.